Correct. So now let us consider we are adding what you when you say employee, we will have n number of columns. So that we add columns now. Alter. So this is not related to views. Just we are talking about adding a column. Then we will see how the views will apply. Okay. Alter table. How I will do? Alter table. Employees. I need to add a column. Add column. Very good. Add column. Add column. Column name. What is the column name? Tell me any column name which is related to employee. Already undi ma. First name, last name. Department. Department ID. I'll say department ID. This is integer. Default. I'll say 1. Let us consider. We want to have. I want to have a column to show views. Okay. That's why I'm adding. Okay. Then after that, so any other column I can add. It will be fast. Salary. We can add salary. We'll say salary is also same for everyone. Okay. Salary is also integer for now. Next again, anything else can have phone number, mobile number. Mobile number cannot be integer, correct? Character adding. Okay. So character adding. Default will keep one number. My number only will keep for all. Let us follow to me. Right. So but that should be in character adding, no, not number anymore. Right. So that particular point you need to remember. Okay. We'll say date of birth. Date of birth. We'll say DOB. We will see. We'll keep character adding only. We'll say XXXXX because it is marked. Let us consider. So in order to mark in DB, you can't keep all the data open. Even in production data, they will encrypt and keep. So you need to remember this. When you go to corporate and all, you will not keep mobile number. What is the privacy data? PII data, personal information. Okay. Two numbers will display. No. Full number will be encrypted and kept. So when you want to show in front end, they will decrypt and show. Whenever you are storing, so tomorrow someone stole your data. What happens? They can't see. Okay, so that's the reason. Because we can't believe internet, right? So that's another point. So how many columns we have now? So you should tell more columns. Fast. You should be fast. You should be. More. Please, I want more columns. You think fast. Okay, we'll say city or country. Okay, we'll say all India. Gender. We'll say all. I don't know. Not to disclose. Okay. All said not to disclose. Any other? Tell me city. We'll say city. Okay. City. All Bangalore. We'll say. See how many columns we are adding. Okay. That's another point. Tell another one. Fast. Be fast. Think part design. Department name in department table it will be there. What part? Very good. Experience. Total experience. Total experience on the energo. Numeric. 10.5 years. Data. Basically, I will keep all default value. Just for columns, I'm adding. You can add any data. Just we are understanding the design and we just we are doing. Next. Aadhaar number. Address also can be there. Aadhaar number. திருப்பி இது வந்து டெக்ஸ்ட் தான் வச்சுக்கிறோம் ஆதார் கரெக்டா. So Aadhaar number also I will mark and keep. I will not give out to disclose very easily. Correct.
Text or character varying.
Text or character varying. Anything is anything. Text means no limit. Character varying means we can apply limit.
We give it.
No problem. Text is string only. Text and character varying both are same. Both are same. PAN card. PAN card also I will not disclose. I will mark and keep. So this is very, very important points you need to remember. Okay. So now like how many? It has been done already. Like this many people. Let's see. How many we have added? So many we have added. Anything else? Passport. Very good. Passport. Okay. Or passport also some number. H3 2654. Like this. Correct. So by default, we'll have some values and then we can update it. We're not worrying about how we are adding the data and we are thinking what all the employee columns can or employee table can have, what are the columns can have. All right. Okay. Let us consider this is done. Okay. This is about the employee design and all.